Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about a new K-beauty brand in my channel. And that is the brand Beauty by Joseon. I mean, there are so many great K-beauty brands out there. My take on the K-beauty skincare products is that there are some genuinely well-formulated K-beauty skincare products. Two things about the K-beauty products. First of all, they're quite gentle. A lot of them do contain Centella asiatica in their formulation, so they're really gentle. They're formulated really well. So it's really suited for those with sensitive skin, or those who are really starting out in skincare, or those in their 20s and 30s. The second thing about K-beauty is that they are a lot cheaper. They're a lot more cheaper than the Western or the American counterparts. But today I want to talk about the Beauty of Joseon. This is their Dynasty Cream, and this is a fabulous, fabulous moisturizer. I'll say it right now. And I really love the packaging of this. Let me show you. So all of Beauty of Joseon products are in a white packaging, and they do have these Korean words at the front. I think it stands for Beauty of Joseon. And inside it's got another container like this. Absolutely gorgeous. It's wrapped in this soft paper, and it's got a scoop. The packaging itself is simple, very simplistic, but yet very delicate and very elegant at the same time. It's got a lid. And this is the soft moisturizer. I just love the texture of this moisturizer. It's not thick and gluey and sticky. The texture of this moisturizer is absolutely gorgeous, and your skin would just drink it all up. Very soft, so easily spreadable all over your face. The scent is absolutely neutral, and I love using this at night on top of my retinol or retinol. Yeah, it's just absolutely beautiful as a nighttime moisturizer. All Beauty of Joseon products are available at the Farmers Department stores. For 50 ml, this is $45, which is really reasonable. And the ingredients, the key ingredient is the rice bran water, and rice bran water is full of amino acids, minerals, and vitamin E. So it's got a lot of minerals and vitamin E and amino acids that will feed your skin. It's got ginseng root water. It's got 2% squalane. Squalane is a powerful emollient that will lock in all the moisture on your skin. It almost forms a shield on top of your skin. So squalane is so essential for skincare. It's got 2% niacinamide. Of course, we all know that niacinamide is a healer, calmer, it's anti-inflammatory, it's a skin soother. The other ingredients: safflower seed oil, hydrogenated coconut oil, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, sodium hyaluronic, honey extract. It's got 1 ceramide NP, radish seed extract, cacao seed extract, and so forth. So it's got a whole lot of really enriching, what I call enriching antioxidants and emollients to make it a beautiful, beautiful moisturizer. Yeah, I am just really, really loving this moisturizer. You don't need a lot because it's quite spreadable, it's quite watery, and you do wake up the next day, your skin doesn't look dry and dehydrated. If you're looking for a genuinely good moisturizer that is hydrating and protects your skin, but it's not over $100 or $100. This one is fabulous at 50 ml for $45, Beauty by Joseon. I highly recommend this. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!